Hello and guten Tag. My name is Jana Hartmann. I'm a visual artist from Germany with my studio based in Frankfurt am Main, and I'm participating in the exhibition Nature Future with my photographic work Die Tür ins Meer, which means the door into the sea. In Die Tür ins Meer, I put life-size photographs and paintings of natural landscapes which I encounter in public spaces, center stage, and by focusing on the interface with their real-life surroundings, I amplify their artificiality and I reveal the absurdity of their initial purpose, be it beautification, concealment, or deception. With this photographic work, I question our current relationship to nature and also scrutinize the components required to trick our senses into a credible experience of nature. To me personally, being European means to be part of a multicultural community with shared values. And as an artist, I feel the obligation to foster a vivid dialogue across nations with my artwork, especially in times when Europe partly seems to fall back into devastating times with nationalistic interests. Nature Future inspired me to investigate how our relationship to nature continues to change. So images increasingly determine our perception, and the trompe-l'œil-like representation in my images could be seen as harbingers of virtuality, which seems gradually to superimpose our reality.